Hi guys, it's your girl Kabria Darshay back with another video, and this is a makeup tutorial video. So for the first thing I'm going to do is add my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation, which is in 355 Coconut. And I'm going to take this regular foundation brush. I found it on Amazon. And I'm just going to simply apply the makeup to my face all over. I don't like to use a lot of foundation because I like it to look a little bit natural. So I'm just going to apply it all over my face, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the color 334 Warm Sun. And I'm going to apply that over just because I didn't like the way that the Dewy and Smooth looked on my face. Because my face is so oily, the Dewy and Smooth foundation did not fit my face best. So I'm going to go back to matte. So now I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Medium, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. I realized that this color was too bright, and I ordered it online. It was my first time buying it. So I needed to add this Maybelline concealer, and I have no idea what color it is. As you can see, it's like a golden tan. I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, the middle of my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And then I'm just going to blend that in afterwards using my e.l.f. Concealer brush. Really good concealer brush. I absolutely love it. It's the best thing I have ever had in my life. I love using this brush to blend in my concealer because it's just so soft, fluffy, and it makes the job so much easier. As you can see, it just starts blending so well. And here I'm just taking this makeup sponge just to blend it in a little bit more, just to get, you know, a little bit more coverage underneath my eyes and over top of my eyes as well, since I'm going to apply eyeshadow. I can tell you crazy, but she kind of intrigued me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, trying to see that shit in 3D. I know I get around because I like to move freely. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline New York Shine Free Loose Powder in the color Medium. And I'm going to put that underneath my eyes and my chin. And then I'm just going to let that bake, you know, let that simmer in so I can, so it can blend better. So while the setting powder is setting in and baking, I'm going to take my Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color 4.5, and I'm going to do my brows. I really like this pencil because it gives my eyebrows a more natural look, and on the other end it has the spoolie, which is perfect for like blending it in and making it look a little more natural. Since my eyebrows are already thick, I don't really do too much to them. I just blend them in, baby. That's it. Alright, so now that my eyebrows are pretty much blended in and done, I'm now going to add my concealer, of course, and we're going back to that same Maybelline concealer that I had. And of course, I'm just going to blend that in again to make it look more natural and pretty. As y'all can see, I had dropped my brush. But now I'm going to take my makeup sponge, and then I'm just going to blend in that setting powder so that it has been baking long enough so it look good. Then after this, I'm going to take that same Flawless Concealer brush by e.l.f. and then blend in the concealer above and below my eyebrows to complete the eyebrow part.
So cheap and flex OD, sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage.
So now I'm going to take a HD concealer by Nicka K New York in the color Coffee, and I'm going to use that to contour the sides of my face. And then I'm going to take like this thin narrow brush that I got off of Amazon to pretty much blend it in. I really love using this brush to blend it in because it just makes it like so much easier. So now I'm going to add my highlight. This is a beauty blending brush by Beauty Creations, and then my highlight is NYX Paradise Fluff, and I'm going to be mixing pretty much those two colors that I showed you to get that beautiful blending glow. Yes, honey, because the glow got to be popping. If the glow ain't popping, the makeup is trash. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. Cosmetics complexion brush, and I'm just going to brush, you know, back and forth, up and down, just to kind of get that glow, blend in a little bit more. And then I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty, I love this color so much. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Blonde, and I'm going to add that highlight, of course, to my cheekbones and then also to my brow bone, just to give that extra glow.
You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Freaky. I can learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that.
So now I'm going to take my eyelash curl, and I'm just going to curl my eyelashes a little bit before putting on some mascara because it gives it a little bit more length. And then I'm going to take the Black Radiance Lash Lengthening Mascara, and it's in color black. I really love this mascara. It gives my eyebrows the perfect look. So now we are going to add concealer to our eyelids so that it can set the eyeshadow much better. And then I'm just going to pretty much blend that in. I use my hand because the concealer brush was just annoying. You see how quickly I blended that, right? I was on a time crunch. So for this look, I literally followed Jackie Aina's YouTube video because I really wanted to try it. And I just pretty much follow her step-by-step look, and using her palette as well that she just made with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely never thought I could create this look because I was not good at eyeshadow. This is my first time doing eyeshadow, and I absolutely loved it. And as you can see here, I just took a medium brown pencil eyeliner, and I'm just pretty much just lining up the bottom of my eyes just to kind of set it to put the eyeshadow at the very bottom. And I really love this look, y'all. Like, oh my god, so bomb. So here I'm just taking credit from the Anastasia Beverly Hills / Jackie Aina palette, and I am adding that to the bottom of my eyelid. Just like how Auntie Jackie did in her video. So if you guys want to like an actual detailed look on the colors that I used, you can literally just go find her video as I followed that. Alright, so here I'm taking a Nicka K New York lip pencil, and it's just like a brown pencil. It's no particular like special name or anything. And I'm just going to line my lips, the top and the bottom, and then after that I'm going to add some lip gloss. So I'm going to take the Broadway Ultra Lip Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. It's like $1 at any beauty supply store. I applied that to my lips, and then I'm going to take the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Peanut Brittle. I'm going to add that right in the middle, and then I'm going to blend.
Play no games, fuck around, get my last name. Know you're tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you